Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Halibus. In this video, I am going to tell you about the myths and facts that are surrounding our babies. As soon as you become a mother or you become a parent, one of the things that you get quite a lot is advice. And advice on things which are purely just going on from being passed on from generation to the other. The things which people have heard but never really thought about whether there are any facts behind them, whether there is any scientific facts behind them, or may not have even discussed with doctors. Because when those things said to a mother or a new parent, and at the right time with lot of conviction, you also start believing somehow that yes, maybe this could be true, maybe my baby is not well because I haven't followed these. So through this video, I am bringing to you the list of all the myths that I have heard through my parenthood journey. So let's get started. The first myth you will hear is a newborn baby should be given just a little bit of honey. This is a pure myth. But the fact is, giving honey to babies who are less than 1 year causes infant botulism and also infections. So please avoid it. Now the second myth is applying kajal will lead to bigger eyes, which I totally don't believe in it. But the fact is applying kajal can actually lead to eye infections and damage their vision. Hence this is best avoided. And also people say if you apply kajal for eyebrows, they grow nicely and beautifully. I used to think how kajal helps for the growth of eyebrow hair. This is absolutely silly. Whereas good nutritious food helps in the growth of hair. The next myth is that if it is so hot and peak summer, you can give little bit of water, a few sips, because the baby must be thirsty. This is absolutely wrong. In fact, the doctors itself suggest below 6 months babies should not be given water because the breast milk has 80 to 90% of water, and for the formula milk we mix water with the formula powder. But you can increase the feeds than usual in summers. So please avoid giving water to babies. The next myth is giving firm massages help your babies to grow stronger bones. But the fact is the massages should always be gentle. I know that lot of people will believe this and end up giving rough massages. The truth is, while the oil massages do have their benefits like good blood circulation and moisturizing the baby's skin, they have absolutely nothing to do with the bone strength. Hence, gentle massage is enough. Now coming to the next myth. Giving formula milk or cow milk to babies will make them look chubby, fat, healthier and stronger. This is not true. In fact, giving cow milk before 1 year is really harmful for babies in most cases. Also, formula is just not required unless it is essential in certain cases, because breast milk is the healthiest form of nutrition, a wholesome food and healthiest form of fat that baby can get. So please avoid it. The next myth is babies need a lot of sunlight. But the fact is the harsh sun can really cause damage to the baby's skin. It's true that babies need vitamin D, so a little bit of sunlight can really help. The next myth is newborn should wear old clothes for few days. In initial stage, baby's skin will be very sensitive and baby needs to wear soft clothes. So since old clothes have been used and washed, they become soft, and hence we have been telling this to wear old clothes. In fact, buying new clothes and washing them once or twice before you put on babies, they will become equally soft and gentle. So you do not need to compromise on old clothes. So viewers, these are the superstitions that are surrounding our babies. There are few more list of things, those we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.